How to create multiple landing page in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create multiple landing pages in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So basically you can do it in your website editor, but it will take times if you want to create a lot of landing pages. So we're gonna use apps. You can navigate to apps here in your Shopify dashboard, and then you can search page builder. Then you can click search page builder, and then you will be redirected to your Shopify app store. So you will find a lot of option here as you can see. Now you can just check one by one. Maybe you can click the name and you can see the reviews. And I think this is not good, not a lot of reviews. So we're gonna back and then maybe we're gonna check this one, page fly. And yeah, as you can see, they have a lot of reviews here. So I think this is good app. And as you can see, they have a free plan, so you can try it before you subscribe to the paid plan. And yeah, you can check their features here. And if you think it's good enough for you, you can just first install it and you can start create multiple pages easily. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.